I just got back from 10 days in Costa Rica, and I'm going to show you a recipe for something I ate for breakfast every morning. So stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and if you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN, and here you're going to find quick and easy, whole food, plant-based, no oil recipes. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check out the links below for my newsletter, my e-guide, my Facebook group, and my online course that will help you to transition to a whole food, plant-based, no oil way of eating. So I just spent 10 days in Costa Rica. It was an absolutely amazing, wonderful trip. And I went with a really great company called Gate One Travel. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid for this. I just want to share it with you. They have the most fantastic tours, so economical. They go anywhere in the world. You get these fabulous guides that take you through, give you the history, and show you so many things. And a shout out to our tour guide, Rafael. He was amazing. And bonus, he's vegan. So he was a godsend for me. He made sure I had vegan meals at every meal and just really took care of me, and I really appreciate it. So thank you so much, Rafa. So what I will be showing you today is Gallo Pinto, which is rice and beans with this absolutely delicious sauce. And it was always available at breakfast and other times of the day too, but it was always there for breakfast. It's a traditional dish that the Costa Ricans do eat for breakfast, and it was perfect for a whole food vegan like me. So traditionally their dish did have oil in it, but I will be making it oil-free. So let me show you the ingredients. So of course we're going to have black beans and rice. That is the base. We're going to have some garlic, tomato, cilantro, onion, bell pepper, and then the secret sauce, the LIZANO salsa. And I got this on Amazon, and I will leave a link to this sauce down below in the description box. And I will also leave a link to Gate One Travel so you can check out all their wonderful trips. And I wanted to dice my veggies here, my bell pepper and my onion, really finely. So let me show you what I use for that. I use this chopper. You just put the veggies on there, push it down, and then it collects it in the base here. It just makes chopping super quick, especially for onions. It helps with the tears a little bit. All right, let's head over to the stove and I'll show you how easy this comes together. So you just want to get your nonstick pan. I put a little water in there. We're not going to use oil, and you do not need oil, so we're just going to use some water. And we're going to add our onions. And we're on a medium-high heat right now, and we're just going to let these cook for a couple minutes. Then we'll add our red peppers, and we'll let these cook for a couple minutes. Then we'll add the tomato and the garlic, and then cook this for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to turn the heat down to medium. And I'm going to add the beans, the cilantro, and a couple tablespoons of the LIZANO sauce. Give this a good stir, and we'll let this cook for a couple minutes as well. Now we'll add in our rice. And you just want to get these clumps down, but just get this all mixed in. Now we're just going to let this all heat through and we'll be ready to taste. But while I'm waiting for this to get all warmed up, I'm going to show you a few highlights from my trip. Enjoy. Stopped at a little roadside fruit stand.
que ayudan a algo será muy caliente. Hello. Hello.
So here we go, finished product. I paired it with a little avocado. What I normally did was I would have a tortilla and I would just fill up the tortilla with some of this Gallo Pinto, and it was delicious. And they always had fresh fruit, and I had no problems eating plant-based in Costa Rica. It's very vegan friendly, and they can make most everything vegan if you ask. So don't be afraid to travel and worry about what you're going to be eating. You can figure it out. And I'm also going to get questions about the LIZANO sauce, that can I substitute something else for it? No, you need to use that particular salsa, the LIZANO. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. You're more than welcome to Google how to make your own LIZANO sauce, but I'm not going to make my own, so I just got mine off of Amazon and it's really reasonable. Let's give this a taste. So good. It reminds me of Costa Rica. So if you've never been to Costa Rica, or maybe you have been to Costa Rica, give this dish a try. I think you're going to really like it. And what they say in Costa Rica is pura vida, which means pure life, and they really do live that. So check out the links below for everything that was mentioned in this video. The full recipe will be down below. If you like this video, if you got value, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with Gallo Pinto, and that way I know you were with me and I appreciate your support. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.